Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily. Today I am sharing with you all an unboxing of my latest YSL Saint Laurent purchase. It is the Uptown wallet on chain, and I'm so excited to share it with you all and talk about the deal I got on it and tips and tricks on how I get deals on these bags. I was able to get over half off on this bag, so I am so excited to share it with you all, and let's get right in the video and let's get started. Okay, so here she is. Got this bag from Neiman Marcus, Last Call actually. So they do have various luxury bags in their displays there in addition to their regular department store. So definitely recommend checking them out. And here she is in the dust bag. I did have to ask if they had a dust bag. They don't usually just offer it, so you do have to ask and they'll check in the back if they do have it for the bag. So definitely don't forget to ask about that. And sometimes if they have a box, they'll give it to you too. For this one, they didn't. But here she is, still brand new with all her tags on it. She's so gorgeous. So this is, again, the YSL Uptown wallet on chain. So definitely a pretty big size for a wallet on chain. I think this bag is so pretty and versatile, and this is like the perfect starter bag if you don't have any YSL yet and you're looking to get one. I think this is like your perfect bag. This goes with tons of stuff. It's so many outfits. I'm gonna go through like the dimensions of the bag, what fits inside, how it looks on, and show you all that as well. But here she is in the front with this snap closure. So this one's actually a button snap. It has a very strong snap, which is good. And then here's the logo. And then the best thing about this wallet on chain, it comes with a card holder, a Saint Laurent card holder. So this is one I really think you're getting your money's worth on. I mean, even not on sale, it's such a great value because their card holders themselves are $250, like just for this basic one, $250. So honestly, you're getting such a steal that this includes a card holder. So this is also a calfskin genuine leather card holder. It fits 4 cards. Obviously you can put like 2 probably in each slot, so that's not bad. And then you can take this and put this in any of your other bags. Inside it's just open right here. So a lot of room. But yeah, there's the card holder there. I love that about this, that you get the card holder. And then again, since this is a wallet on chain, you have the 2 loops here that do completely come off. So these are lobster clasps on the gold chain here. So that's amazing because this you can easily take off and then just use it as a wallet or a clutch easily. And if you don't want to take it off, so easy to tuck it in, you can't really see it. But honestly, it's so small, you should probably just take it off. So yeah, this is awesome. And then before I show you all the ways to wear, I'll just talk about the price. So the original price tag is still on here from the Neiman, and this was $11.90 retail. So right now if you go on the website or any of the department stores, it's actually $11.90 unless, like I mentioned before, you go on one of those European sites, you can get a better deal on it. But this one has like a little bit of a catch. So this from Neiman Last Call was $550 only, which is insane. But the catch was that you can see here that it says it's refurbished. So I asked them, and you know, when you hear refurbished, I almost thought it was like pre-owned, pre-loved bag. But refurbished means that from their original stores that there may have been a small issue with it, like it was a display bag and there was like a little like scratch, but this one didn't have that. Or they're like a button came off and they fixed it. So basically that means for them that it was new from their store. It's never been used by anyone, but there was one flaw that they were able to fix, and now they're selling it at a discount at their Last Call store. So definitely recommend with these items checking every little detail on the bag, making sure like the button snaps really well, like I said, making sure the zippers work. If there's any zippers, this one doesn't have that. Making sure that these chains work. So with these refurbished bags, just making sure everything's good, because I did want to get a clutch as well. And then when I looked at it out of the case, the zipper was not smooth at all. And I was having like a really hard time trying to close the zipper. So I didn't get that one because I don't think they refurbished it properly, or there's still issues with that bag. So definitely you can get a huge discount. Like, it's so worth it to me. Whatever flaw was fixed and it's not noticeable at all on this bag, to get over half off of a discount. I mean, it's insane. It's really a new bag, so I definitely think that's worth it to check it out if you're interested and you don't mind that type of stuff. But I know some people do just want a brand new bag, so that's the little caveat with this discount on this bag. Okay, so yeah, let me show you all a couple of ways that you can wear this. So yeah, here first of all, obviously as a crossbody, and again for reference, I'm 5'7". This is a chain, so it's not adjustable at all. So for me, this is what it looks like on me. There's that as a crossbody. So it is actually pretty short. So if you're taller than 5'7", you might want to consider and try it on in store whether you like that, because it'll land up here. But for me, it lands right here. And if you're shorter, I think this will even be perfect, more perfect. And then here's what it looks like just on the shoulder. So that's a really nice length as well. It's like a couple inches above my butt right here. And so that looks really pretty and elegant as well. Definitely think it just really dresses up this outfit. I'm just wearing this casual tank sweater dress. So lastly, you can wear it as a clutch or even just a regular wallet. So like that, if you carry it out to dinner, I think that's so cute. Or you just want, if you're eating like at work and you want to take this out of your bigger bag and take this as a clutch out to lunch with your coworkers, I think that's so cute too. So definitely a really nice size clutch. And then let me give you the exact dimensions on this. The exact dimensions on this bag, this is exactly 7.5 inches across. And then the height is 5.5 inches. This perfectly fits my phone and I have an iPhone Plus, so that's awesome. And then it doesn't really have any flexibility in the depth here. It's about 2 inches, maybe 1.75. Definitely nice to carry just those everyday essentials. You get the YSL super classy, classic look. The leather is impeccable. It's just this beautiful calfskin, like grainy leather. You can see it right here. Pretty much scratch resistant, so that's amazing. Beautiful quality leather, like all of their bags, but specifically this grain calfskin, just so easy to maintain, so even better for your first YSL bag. Or even if you just want another YSL bag in your collection, but you want something smaller, more easy, quick, and you don't have to worry about it as much, or the maintenance on that, this is perfect for that. I think this is great for casual. All right, and then in terms of what fits inside, let me show you all that. If you do end up using the card holder that comes with the bag, that fits super compactly. The card holder is so thin. Just for other reference, if you have another card holder like me, or you have like a pouch, I like to put my keys in there or something, then there are those two items. So that's already really filling up there. So with all that, it does snap closed. It's a little bit chubby on the sides, but honestly, you can't tell because the bag's so structured that this still looks great with all that stuff in it. I don't like overstuffing my bags because I don't want any issues with them like overstretching out of shape and things like that. So yeah, I mean, if you have the card holder and your phone in there and that's all you want and your keys, that's definitely all gonna fit in here easily. And then you can see there's no stretching there with that. But yeah, so that's all that fits inside. Pretty basic, pretty simple. And then there's a back pocket right back here. So if you do want to just put like some cards there that you want to easily grab, like when you just open your bag, I think that's good for that. But yeah, otherwise I wouldn't stretch out the back pocket too much. So I pretty much went over everything that there is to know about this bag. I think, again, like I said, it's super versatile. It's amazing as a starter bag, or if you want to just throw something into your collection that's very easy and very low maintenance that you just can carry every day without worrying about it or babying it too much. I think that's great for that. It goes with every outfit other than silver hardware or silver jewelry. So pretty much if you wear gold jewelry most of the time, this will go with a lot of your outfits. I know some people do wear the silver gold mix of jewelry and stuff, so totally up to you. But yeah, I think this is such a perfect bag. Again, I really love the fact that this is one of the only bags that comes with that card holder. Again, their card holders are valued at like $250 to $300, so that's just insane to me. I mean, I got this bag for $550, so with the card holder being valued at $250, I really paid like a couple hundred for the bag. if I think about it that way. But seriously though, if you're able to get, I'd say, I mean, honestly, I know it'd be hard to maybe find the exact refurbished one. I will try to link deals on the bag below. I have seen them go on like European websites for like 900 something. So there's definitely a lot of ways to get discounts on it. I wouldn't pay just the full $11.90. So I hope that helped you all. I hope that gives you a good idea of how the bag looks on, and hopefully you can find a deal on it as well. And I'll try to link what I can below. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please press the subscribe button. That really helps me out. And if you want to get notified when I upload new videos, press the notification bell. Thanks so much again for watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys!